Hey, you must have dropped this.
What's that, please?
Yeah, the water.
Oh, really? Thanks. I did notice.
Funny. Well, my name is Jimmy Johnson, but you can call me JJ.
I'm Lara. Thanks.
Why do you always sit here?
I just don't feel relaxed.
Relax? How can a young, pretty lady like you choose to sit here all day long and feel relaxed? Don't you work?
I do.
Where?
I work here.
Here. Where?
I work here. This place. This position where I'm sitting.
That's absurd. It's only an insane person that will sit here all day long and choose to call that a work. Sorry, what have I said that got you this upset? Have I said anything wrong?
Please, just go.
Are you alright?
Do I look alright to you?
Why are you here?
What kind of question is that? I'm here to help you.
Help? I thought I told you I don't need help.
You don't need my help? Just because I'm blind?
No, not that. I just want to bother you.
Let me help you.
Oh, okay. If you insist, come over then. Wow.
Oh,
Yeah. Easy with that. How do you know I was about picking the meat?
because I'm blind does not mean I can't see reflections.
Reflection?
Yes, reflection.
You mean it's a reflection of things?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Let's go inside.
I wasn't born blind. Myself and my parents were living happily until death came to snatch my mom away from us when I was 9. My dad stayed single for over 3 years. Until a certain evening he brought a woman home and told me,
that's your new mother. Accept her as mom.
She was kind to me. But 2 years after she had a first issue, I was 14. That was when it looks as if the world turns against me. For every of my mistakes, she would scold me. And each time I report to my dad, he would say,
She is your mother. She only wanted the best for you.
So, what happened to your eyes?
it's a good thing if the world turns against you. But it's worse when heaven turns against one. I later lost my dad when I was 17. Then my stepmom made life hell for me. She would say, your father do call you love of his life. Where does he place me? For every of my mistake, she would starve me, maltreat me, and make me stand for over 3 hours in front of the light in our living room. One fateful evening, when we were in the kitchen, I was chopping vegetable. He tasted the soup on fire and noticed there was not enough pepper. He was very angry and asked me, why didn't you put enough pepper when we have pepper at home? But before I could defend myself, she has picked the grounded pepper and poured on my face.
That is pathetic.
Sorry I had to leave yesterday. Because I couldn't stand the pathetic story. It saddens me.
Never mind, it's all forgotten.
Yeah. Even though everybody has a story to tell.
So, tell me, what's your story?
My story is well, everyone was not born with a silver spoon. I lost my parents when I was a teenager. And ever since then, I struggled to make a living.
What a wall.
You see, quitters, they say, never win. A winner never quits. Why don't you let me into your world? Let me be the highs you never had. I could talk to a friend of mine who is a medical doctor. Maybe we could do something.
No, I don't want to bother you with my burdens. No.
And who says you are? Please let me help you.
No.
you see this?
Because now I can see.
Are you kidding? That's absurd. It's so
That's absurd.
Okay.
Let's go. Pick up. Pick up.
okay. That's absurd. It's only an insane person that would sit here all day long and choose to call that a walk.
Sorry, can you let me take that again?
Say that again.
Okay.
Take it. Thanks. I did notice.
Funny. Anyway, my name is
Pleasure.
Yoruba Kadad.
Ashima mu yen o disturb wa. Se ba shima mu CS. Ashima mu yen o disturb wa.
Sorry, okay, let me pick up.
Thanks. I didn't notice.
You're welcome.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
That's absurd. How can a young pretty lady like you choose to sit here and call that a walk?
That is repetition.
Okay, sorry.
You've said that already.
I thought as much. Oh,
That's absurd. Only an insane
it's a
person.
person. Sorry. Sorry.
Pick up. Let's pick up.
That's absurd. It's only an insane person. It's only an insane person. That was
Insane.
Let's stay right.
okay, insane.
Insane. Let's start again.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Pick up. Action. Yeah. Give my record.
Angela, am I me ya pre-shot in my bad ever she done? He has never quit. Why don't you give me a chance to come into this matter? I could talk to a medical doctor. I could talk to a
Take that again. Let's take that again from
I could talk to a friend.
what a
Who
word.
is the medical doctor? Yeah.
What a word. You see, quitters never win.
Okay. You see.
Let's go again
Okay.
from what a word. Pick up. Action.
No, I don't want to bug you with my burdens. No.
And who says you are?
And who says you are? Look at her now and say, please, let me help. Alright, let's pick up from no, I don't want to bug you. 3, 2, 1, action.